Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I am back in Walmart where more fall items have hit the shelves. So you know what that means. Let's go shopping. Over here for $4.98 they have a couple of welcome signs that are vertical. One starts with a sunflower and one has the sunflower as the O. Then for $5.97 they have two pumpkin hanging pieces in Happy Fall and Blessed and Grateful. For $9.98 they did some potted florals. This one with the white sunflowers. I love that color leaf this year. And then they've got this one over here in more traditional fall colors. A little bit of heather, some pine cones, and some willow. Coming down here they have a few new signs out. They are $4.48. So they've got this one in Always, the welcome on the black backing. I really like that one. A welcome fall wheelbarrow, and this one in Autumn Acres pumpkin patch with a red truck. And for $3.98 they have these vertical welcome and blessed signs, probably about 20 inches tall, on wood with creamy white letters. And for just under $7 they did three adorable enamel signs. They have this one in the cow. They also have a welcome to our farmhouse. This is about the size of a piece of paper. And what I think is going to be the most popular one, this one in a pumpkin patch with the red truck. And for $3.24 they have a few smaller tabletop wooden pumpkins in green, cream, and orange. And for $3.44 they have a few Mason style signs in brown, mustard, orange, and red. For $3.98 they do have a wooden pumpkin garland. Looks like it's all green, orange, and white, or cream. And also in cream they have a few pumpkin signs for $4.97, a couple of them in white and one in orange. They have two hanging vertical wooden round signs, Autumn Leaves and Fall Breeze. And it also comes in Happy Fall, y'all. So I just spotted another pumpkin banner. I showed you guys this one, and it also comes in one in all kinds of oranges. So I wanted to show you guys these signs. They're only $2.98. There are 4 different versions. The first one is Home Sweet Home. It also comes in pumpkin spice and everything nice. So cute. A colorful version in apples, pumpkins, and hay rides on the green, and a white version with some gold text. Down here they have a couple of small hanging signs for $2.44. They have green in grateful, cream thankful, and blessed on the orange. And then they have a few small box style signs. I believe they're $2.84. So it comes in Happy Fall, y'all, hello pumpkin, blessed, and then count your blessings. Over here for $4.47 they have more mini signs. So it comes in this version, this one in Give Thanks to the Lord. They've got a creamier version, little bird in that one, and in green. For $4.47 they have 4 different tabletop wooden critters. All of them have just a little bit of corrugated metal. For $2.44 they did a few garden stakes that are really cute. So they've got the pumpkin in Happy Harvest, squirrel on the welcome, really cute Hello Fall with the teal truck, and the back of a green pickup truck in Happy Fall. For $4.24 they have a little wooden sign. Up here for $19.97 they have a hanging basket, the galvanized welcome on front, and then they've got their little creature hanging signs. They do these every year. They're $3.74. It comes in the raccoon and the fox. So they brought back their little birdies, and they're just under $5 for $4.98. This one on the end is definitely my favorite, with the pumpkin on his head. They've got these guys with scarves and hats on, and another one with a pumpkin on his head, black glasses, and this one with a little felt mustard snow cap. Now I did notice one over here that it was slightly different with the orange and white check belly, even though he's dressed the same as this one. They also have some resin pumpkins hitting the shelves. So these have print on the front in Bless, but I also wanted to show you guys on the back. It says Happy Thanksgiving. They also have a few little scarecrows in resin. These are the same ones that we've seen in the last couple of years. This one with the red hat and this one with the brown hat for $6.84. Up here for $7.97, they have a beautiful grapevine style cross with sunflower in the center. And then they've got these. So these are kind of like runners on burlap. And there's a few different ones. So I want to show you guys. There are some with sunflowers and some brown-eyed Susans. And then they also have some more neutral. So I think this one is my favorite with the creamy sunflowers, the corn husk. It has a couple of small pumpkins and that feather detail with a few leaves. Over here they have another grapevine style wreath in Blessings. And I think this is a really good deal for just under $10. The wreaths are $9.98 and pretty good size. I think if I had to guess, maybe a 16-inch. So they've got this version and then a sunflower version above. Down here they've got a box full of more pumpkins and gourds. A few I didn't see in the last Shop With Me video. These are 98 cents a piece. They do have the wire battery operated LED lights, and then for $7.98 they have scarecrows. That's the best price I've seen. They are the same ones as last year in the green felted outfits. Then over here they have a small white pumpkin sign for $3.98. They've started to put out some ribbon for $2.34. You get 9 feet. So they've got the red, the gourds and pumpkins, and an orange, and I love the stripe. They've also got a truck pattern. It is green, the burlap, a plaid, and then the maple leaves, and some blue for all you blue lovers. They did a denim, and this one with a different print on it. All kinds of text, a few leaves, and it does have the wiring in blue. Over here they also have a dark brown burlap and this one in Thankful. I think this flatted ribbon is my favorite. They are $2.34 if I didn't mention that, and they do have different text on this one. Thankful and grateful. Also comes in the stripe, a black burlap, and the buffalo plaid. Up here they've got a few fall wreaths for $19.97. These ones are larger than the ones I showed you guys for just under $10. This one with a lot of gold glitter to it. Down here for $14.97 they have some lanterns full of sunflowers. And then next to that, for just under $9, they have some metal kettles full of fall floral. Over here for $5.44, they have some standing tabletop style scarecrows. That's the best price I've ever seen on a scarecrow this size. So they've got the little girl, she just needs her bonnet sort of tacked back. And then a little guy behind her in a denim overalls, I was gonna say jumpsuit. My favorite in the brown and orange, and one in green and orange. And then coming down here they have some small potted floral for $5.98. For $4.98 they have a few pumpkin floral pieces that also comes in an orange sunflower combo. And then for $6.44 they have the grapevine style light up wreaths that do take batteries. Over here for $8.98 they have a few ceramic urns with different sayings on them in different colors filled with floral. For $2.98 they have a few galvanized pitchers filled with floral. It also comes in this version, and there's a little bit of gold in this one. For $8.84 they have a few floral pieces that are different colors here on the top, and then they fade into grapevine style sticks. And then for $5.98 they have a smaller version. Down here for $5.98 they have a few burlap filled centerpieces that come in a few different colors. For $1.97 they are selling these very large picks with floral and leaves, different colored sunflowers. They have smaller ones over here for $134. Down here they do have some larger pumpkin floral. Those are $9.98 and come in the orange and the cream. They do have a lot of garland and they're just $2.98. And then of course their hay that I showed you guys the last time in. So I know I showed you guys these pumpkins for $5.98, but they've also gotten in these that are covered in fabric, which is very appropriate because they are back in the fabric section. They do come in a few different colors and they're also $5.98. So we're over in the fabric department where I wanted to show you guys that they have fat quarters for $1.47. They are putting out some Christmas prints. I'm going to show them to you guys, but I also wanted to point out that they have some Halloween prints. This is where I found the print for my orange mask. So lots of different prints. Let me show you what the ones that they have are. Now they also sell them in this, which is a 1 yard bundle for $3.97. So they have an orange plaid, really pretty Halloween print. I love this one in the spiders. They also have a ghost print that I am really fond of. And then this one in the gray, I am definitely going to be bringing home to make masks for my family. So that's what the Halloween prints look like. Let me show you the Christmas prints. So they have buffalo plaid in green, in white, also in red. They also have a couple of different red truck patterns. This one with the bigger on the white backing, and this one on a sort of charcoal backing. They also have this one in the darker backing, and this one is kind of a quilted look with all kinds of different squares. Now I'm going to show you guys a few of the patterns they didn't have in the 1 yard bundles. They've got candy canes, a plaid, more candy canes, a plaid with snowflakes, the holly. I always mix up holly and there's something else. Oh, this is really nice. It's a little bit different than the buffalo check. So there's the trucks again, and then this one that is gingerbread on the darker gray. I also have the Christmas lights. I'm going to be picking one of these up. And this is that quilted pattern, and then this one that is a few different trees. And then up here for $5.97. Now I'm not familiar with these. I'm sure that they are for you quilters out there. They have bundles, so there's a few different ones. This one's got lots of brown, some sunflowers, and some orange. And then they have the one with more grays in it. Oh, that one's really cute. I like that one. And then they've got them in the patterns for Christmas. Here's some more of the Halloween patterns. And then let me pull these boxes down up here to show you guys. So these are also $5.97, and it says that they are iron-on fabric sheets. So you get bundles. They've got the grays and oranges, the Christmas plaids, and then they've got a whole pack of different Halloween prints, and then they've got these appliques. So the appliques are sold separately, and they're basically for crafts. You can make banners, you could do pillows, all different kinds of DIYs with them. They have this one out for fall. I'm loving this one. Very tempted to pick it up. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me to Walmart to see new treasures hitting the shelves. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.